What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and today we're going to be adding some door handle guards to, this is again a TRD Sport 2023 Toyota 4Runner. So what you're going to need to do first is obviously find whatever you want. We decided to go with the carbon fiber look. So here's what it looks like. And first thing you're going to do is clean your door handle location like really well. So we use some alcohol and some wipes, and we just let it finish drying. And now we're gonna put the stickers on. So when you put them on, you're gonna want to make sure you line everything up really straight. So I'm gonna get it kind of lined up. I'm gonna drop down to eye level so you can see. So I'm gonna get it lined up. I'm not going to press it all the way down because I just want to make sure it's straight. How does that look? That's good. All right, so I'm going to start from the middle, press, and work my way out. So again, this is going to be the hardest part, is making sure you get everything lined up really straight, because once you get it on, it's not really going to come off. And you know, that's kind of the hope for it. So as you can see, we got it on there. Again, this just guards it, so when you put your hand in like that with like rings and stuff, it's not scratching it. I can show you what mine looks like from too many things like that. So it gets pretty bad in there. You can see all those scratches, so we're trying to avoid that. If you really like the color of your car, they make clear ones, black ones, white ones, all sorts of different colors. So yeah, we're gonna add these, and I'll show you what both sides look like when it's done. So again, let's do a quick rundown on how to do this. So clean it. A lot of people should mostly just use soapy water. Soapy water is more than enough. If you're doing interior stuff, you can use alcohol. They do say that alcohol can damage car paint, so just use soap water, wipe it down, make sure it's clean, and then let it dry properly. So we did that. And you'll take your handle cover, and again, you'll kind of line it up. Luckily, it doesn't stick very well until you're 100% sure, until you press it. So we're just gonna kind of set it down. I'm gonna take a look, compare it to the other side. So, might need to go a little bit lower, and then you press it from the middle out. So again, luckily it doesn't stick too much until you press it down firmly. So we're gonna go right there. All right, we're gonna look again. Compare that side, that side. Look. So that's just the thing, you have to eye it back and forth. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this one stuck, and then I'll show you what they look like done. All right, so here we are back with all the door handles done. This is the driver's side. And again, it's just something nice to have. This is the carbon fiber look, but from a distance, they just look black. So back up and kind of just show you. So it looks nice. And again, if you want your paint to not be obstructed with something like this, they do make clear ones. So I will attach both of the clear and the carbon fiber ones, or black, or whatever you're looking for, at the bottom on the link. So thank you for watching 303 Streets. Hopefully you found this video helpful. It actually doesn't look really too bad with the black door covers. So yeah, but yeah, again, thank you for watching 303 Streets. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Thank you, and have a good day.